If you're serious about efficiency and want to save time, ROTO brushes are an excellent choice. We've selected specific bristle lengths that work best for base structuring, wax removal, and polishing. Premium grade bearings ensure long life, and a clear shield lets you watch the ROTO in action for more accurate work on your skis or boards. One of the biggest advantages of the Quick Change Pro series is that you can swap brushes instantly without removing the stainless steel shaft from your drill. When using ROTO brushes, always wear safety glasses and keep the drill speed under 1000 RPM. Apply light pressure, letting the bristles do the work to avoid generating excessive heat. Our Pro Series ROTO brushes offer premium quality with several performance-enhancing features. Precision machined drums for better rotational balance and a smoother brushing experience. Enhanced bristle fastening for extended durability. Steel end caps for improved longevity and strength. This superior craftsmanship and materials make the Pro Series a top-tier choice. The brass ROTO brush is highly effective for base preparation, cleaning, wax removal, and polishing. It delivers optimal glide by eliminating microhairs and reopening the base structure. Like the soft steel brush, it's ideal as a first brush before waxing to clean and revitalize the base. Also as a post-wax brush to extract residual hairs from grinding or waxing. Brass bristles are slightly stiffer than soft steel and offer more aggressive cleaning while still being completely safe for all base structures. The nylon ROTO brush is used as the final step in the brushing process. It is ideal for wax removal and base polishing, leaving a smooth, clean finish. Recommended by Nanox Wax as the last brush when using Nanox training, CFX2, spray, or super nano waxes. The horsehair ROTO brush is a versatile option, generally used as a first brush for wax removal or after soft steel or brass brushes to extract any remaining microfibers or hairs. Removing these tiny hairs is essential to reduce friction and maximize glide performance.